Below your inner if statement, use the addition assignment operator to add gravity to the y velocity. So below this inner if statement is where we input the computation of adding velocity to the computation of gravity what the computation of adding gravity to velocity. Let's take a step back, and we know that assignment operator is used or achieved with the plus and equals, and we have the input here velocity and y, and then assign gravity to the right, and this will essentially add gravity to the velocity of y. And nice.